Welcome back to our daily lessons, automotive enthusiasts. In today's video, we'll be diving into the exciting world of forced induction, specifically comparing the turbocharger and the supercharger. Both these technologies offer increased power, but what sets them apart? Let's find out. Point 1. How they work. First, let's understand the basic principle behind each technology. A turbocharger utilizes exhaust gases to spin a turbine, which in turn drives a compressor. This compressor forces additional air into the engine, resulting in improved performance. On the other hand, a supercharger is mechanically driven by the engine itself, using a belt connected to the crankshaft. It compresses air and delivers it directly to the engine. Point 2. Power delivery. One of the key differences lies in power delivery. Turbochargers are known for their ability to provide a significant boost in power at higher RPMs. As exhaust gases increase, the turbine spins faster, leading to greater air compression and power. Superchargers, on the other hand, deliver power more consistently across the RPM range, including lower RPMs. This makes them ideal for instant throttle response and enhanced low-end torque. Point 3. Efficiency and fuel economy. When it comes to efficiency, turbochargers tend to have the upper hand. As they utilize exhaust gases, they effectively recycle energy that would otherwise be wasted. This results in improved fuel economy when compared to superchargers. However, superchargers, being mechanically driven, do not create any turbo lag and can provide power instantly, making them a popular choice for applications that prioritize immediate response over fuel efficiency. Point 4. Installation and cost. Installation complexity and cost can also differ between turbochargers and superchargers. Turbocharger installations typically involve more intricate plumbing, including exhaust manifold modifications and intercoolers, which may require additional components and labor. Superchargers, on the other hand, are usually simpler to install since they directly connect to the engine. However, the overall cost can vary depending on the specific setup and the brand you choose. Point 5. Application and versatility. Finally, the choice between a turbocharger and a supercharger often depends on the application and desired characteristics of the vehicle. Turbochargers are commonly found in high-performance cars, where top-end power is critical. They're also popular in diesel engines due to their efficiency. Superchargers, on the other hand, are often utilized in muscle cars and vehicles that require immediate power, such as drag racing or off-road applications. In conclusion, both turbochargers and superchargers offer substantial power gains, but they do so in different ways. Turbochargers excel at high RPM power delivery and fuel efficiency, while superchargers provide instant response and low-end torque. Ultimately, the choice between the two depends on your vehicle's intended use and your personal preferences. We hope this video shed some light on the differences and helped you make an informed decision. As always, stay tuned for more exciting automotive content. Like, share and subscribe, and we'll catch you in the next video. Drive safe.